This is the continuation of our videos. We need to install now. Okay. No need to be rushed. So this is the problem. Okay. We need to tighten this properly. Okay. So push down. So it's tight now. So this is the problem in the bottom. The screws problem. Okay. In the hole. This area. I lost my other screws, so in both side I have one screw, but it's a broken. It's my fault before I pull out, so it's broken now. So now we give a solution how to tighten this. Okay, so I have a solution for this. We cannot use these both side screws, so we need a permanent now, because this is a 2000 model Chevy Venture, so it's not a type of a brand new or a latest model. So almost 24 years or 25 years this vehicle, so no need a fancy to tight this, a fancy tight this. So I have a solution again for that. So if you need tools of this, okay, this drill bit in both sides, that's all I can do to share this, my experience. Okay, so we try one side, this three. Okay, with the using of different drill. Okay. Either this bit or this bit 1516 or this Milwaukee, okay, or this one. It depends the sizes of the screw. Okay, this is a solution. No need money for labor or going to shop to stay there how many days. So this is the best solution for now to recommend to you. I give you a tips. Okay, simple and basic. As I said, no need a fancy tightening this. Okay, whether level or not, the important is to how to tight that panel. Okay, it's just a hole there only. Okay, need to make sure it's in a proper tight. Okay. to measure the gap from the front. It's only my opinion, okay? A 3-inch gap from here. 3-inch gap from here. Okay. So it depends what kind of screw you use. Okay. This is a waste. This is only a waste. So and this is a garbage. Okay, so no need you have extra any screws of Robinson, or using a 15, 16 or 6 size of bit for Robinson, or plus minus screwdrivers by manual or drill. It's up to you as long this is pull tight. Okay, so let's do it. Don't waste our time. Okay. So for me, we're using a flat head. As I said, it difference from you. It's up to you what you're using, a flat head or a one-port bit. Important, solve the solution. Okay. Okay. So we need to transfer this so you can see the other side. See the hole? That's the hole of drill gun. Okay. Okay. So we need to screw it now. I like to vlog because you know, it's past time only. It's not busy for nothing or nonsense doing in home. So okay. Make sure it's in the proper tight or place. Every edges. No need too much tight. See? See? Only one side for now, okay? So we move to other side, okay? See this screw? And both to other side again. Because that is also my problem every time I'm driving this vehicle. So for now, I think this is the best solution for this problem. Okay. So I'm going move to other side. Okay. The driver's seat. I use this bit so you cannot change a small again, or much better a small again. So this three. So I think it's enough. Not moving, not shaking. Only this area because only one side there's a screw. Okay. That's it. So we change again our bit. for the final result. Okay, okay guys, so remove the bit, change again the bit. We cannot use now this 15, 16 and 8 bit, okay? Just in case only. A lot of use of this tape, okay? So we need to measure again the gap from the edge of the screw to the front of edge of this panel. So is here. Okay. Okay. So not going back to the other side, to the other door. See, 3-inch gap between beside the screw. Okay. Okay. No need too much deep. Okay. No need too much deep. Okay. So you can see there's the hole. Okay.